Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sabine from ZenNumerostar.com. This video about how to manifest when negative circumstances are in your face is a request by one of my clients who sent me an email this weekend. She was wondering what she could do and still manifest when negative circumstances were in the way. So let me explain to you exactly what I've told her. What you have manifested, if you have already manifested negative circumstances, is that you have manifested through your fears. So you have let your fears control the show, run the show, and that's what it is. So let's dive right into the problem here. When your fears manifest, it is because you have given credit to the possibility that they could manifest in your life. Nothing less, nothing more. It is never you affirming non-stop, my fears in that my SP is getting engaged with someone else is now in my life. It's now my reality. Obviously not. It's much more subtle than that, and you know it. It is you thinking, oh God, I hope you won't meet anybody else since it's not in my life right now. And even if you stop your train of thoughts and try to think positively about your manifestation, if you truly fear in your heart that scenario, and if you don't know how to give it closure consciously, your fears could manifest. And to be honest, your fears usually will manifest. As you know, I am not in the habit of sugarcoating anything that I say, because I don't think that this is helping you in the long run. My role is to highlight what your thoughts do on your behalf, how manifesting works, and how you can rectify your life so that your best scenario gets manifested. So let me tell you this. If your fears have manifested, leave your circumstances alone. Do not try to change any of them, because it would be as pointless as screaming at your mirror. You will feel exhausted, but the mirror will be unchanged. So why bother? However, because your fears or negative circumstances are now in your face, you should feel reassured. Why that? Because you don't have to worry anymore of whether or not your bad scenario can manifest, since that's it. It's already now in your face. So take this opportunity to detoxify your inner world by purging the last fears, wave them goodbye, as you are now finally ready to invite the good stuff in. Don't feel guilty, don't feel bad. When you have manifested your fears, it is because you are sensitive, and usually you don't have a very good opinion of yourself or of your SP, if we're talking about SPs, or of relationships in general. And as you know, the opinions that you have formed about yourself, relationships, and indirectly your person are the reproduction or the mirror of what you've been learning all those years in your own community. You are not born thinking a certain way about yourself, your person, that you didn't know at the time, or relationships you had no idea about at the time either. Can you see where this is going? You have manifested what you know best. The only thing is that your best was not in your favor at the time. This shows that you have been taught more about fears than about confidence. That's all there is to it. And no one is to blame either, because people can only teach you what they know themselves to be true. That's how we humans work and function. We learn stuff and we teach what we were taught. I'm saying that because I don't want you to focus your energy on blaming anyone or pointing fingers. That would be pointless and will not help you to move forward. The objective of this video is to give you a sense of relief that now that you have manifested what you didn't want because you are not sure how to stop your fears from manifesting, now your life is going to change for the better, finally. Because now, and I know I'm repeating myself here, now you don't have to fear your thoughts because they have manifested, so you can focus all your energy on what you truly want. Your fears have cleared the way. Isn't that great? So what should you do going forward? Maybe revisit your manifestation. Usually you still want your SP. Okay, so list their qualities. How does your SP bring value to you? How do you feel about your SP now? If there was no circumstances in the way, how would you feel? If you have answered, oh, I would feel good, this is perfect, because you should know that you can influence your future despite your current circumstances. You can, seriously. And obviously, this is excellent news. But now you need to be willing to discipline your thoughts and be willing to check your feelings as being the only tracker you ever need to progress in your life. So let me repeat that one. And I would like for you to memorize it because this might be the most important thing you're going to learn today. I need you to be willing to check your feelings as being the only tracker you ever need to check your progress. No more going back and forth about your circumstances. Circumstances are your fears manifested. You've done that already. Don't you think you have the right now to get what you want? I think so, and you should think so too. So, from now on, all your focus should be on you, on what a good match you are with your SP, how unique you are, how your SP can only have eyes for you because of your unique qualities. See what I'm doing here? I'm basing your manifestation on you. You make the decisions. You are in control, not the SP. So to recap, when you have manifested your fears, leave those circumstances alone because they didn't show up out of nowhere. They got manifested because of your fears, because your thoughts got validated by fear and not by love, unfortunately. Now that you have manifested with fear, time to manifest with love. It's not too late, but you need to solely focus on manifesting with love from now on. If not, I cannot guarantee that you will ever get what you want. And that's the pure truth. You need to get disciplined for your own good because you deserve to get what you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something valuable today or that it's going to help you move forward in your life. If you have liked it, please leave it a thumbs up. I would be ever so grateful to you. Now, as you know, I know that you can do it. I do believe in you. So on that happy note, happy manifesting.